and sweet. Thank you for being a nice friend. Stay cute and sweet. Happy birthday, Kimi.
Wow, thank you sa maraming nice and sweet. Halatang si Mami gumawa. Alright, thank you so much. Palapakan po natin next. Okay, Akira! Dito na tayo sa harapan. Wish ka dito.
Happy 7th birthday, Kimi. I wish you grow up healthy and sweet. And I wish we will close and we will be good friends. Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you naman. Thank you so much, Akira. Next, Janina.
Happy birthday, Kimi. Sana lagi kang makinig sa mommy and daddy mo. Sana lagi kang maging brave. Happy birthday, Kimi.
Wow, ang sweet naman yan. Ay, hug mo lang si Kimi. Ay, hug mo. Yes. And next, please come forward, Sydney. Ay, may wish din.
Happy birthday, Kimi. I hope we will be best friends forever. I hope you enjoy your beautiful party.
Wow, very good. Palamakan naman natin, guys. Ay, hug mo lang si Kimi. Ayan, bigay mo na sa kanya yung letter mo. Alright, palamakan natin ang ating 7 chocolates. Ayan, picture mo kayo, guys.
Dedication daw.
Ayan, tingin kayo sa camera mo. Usog-usog kayo ng konti. Wow, gaganda naman.